In this video, we'll be showing you how to update roles for those customers that already have roles-based access to your website. First, log in as an administrator. From the main navigation, select Admin and then Settings. Here you will find a number of tabs that segregate your settings into areas. Click on the Customer Roles tab. The Customer Roles tab allows you to see all users who already have roles-based access defined, so you have a quick overview of which users have access to which role. This then allows you to remove or add further roles as required. To change roles for a customer, click on the Set Roles button of the relevant customer. Check the box for the role you would like to set for them. Then click the Update Customer Roles button. And that's it, you have now successfully updated roles for a customer. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle.